What's happening, everyone? Got another hard reset for you today. Today we're going to do the Motorola G42. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot and you do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do that. Just as always, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone, so keep that in mind. If you have anything important, it will be deleted. And just so you guys know, we got a ton more hard resets and teardowns coming up, so if you want to see anything in particular, drop a comment. Otherwise, if you could like, share, and subscribe, we'd appreciate all that. But let's get right into this. What we want to do for this one is make sure the phone's off. In this case, it is. And we're going to hold the volume down. You have volume up, volume down, and power. Hold volume down and power at the same time. And it should bring us right into the recovery option. I'm going to hold volume down first, then hold power. All right, so we're here. Also, to get to this screen, if you are on a pattern or password and you can't turn off the phone, which is common with Motorola, depending on if you use a passcode or a pattern, what you need to do is actually hold both volume up and down and power until the phone turns off. Well, it won't turn off, it'll try to restart itself. So when it tries to restart itself, what you want to do is just let go of the volume up and just start immediately holding volume down and power, and then you'll get into this mode. So just a heads up for you guys that are having that issue, that's how you kind of get into this portion. So let's get down to recovery mode, and we'll hit your volume buttons will navigate, your power button is to select. So we'll hit confirm on that. Should load us to the no command screen like that, and then to get out of this to the actual options, you want to hold volume up and power. It's actually hold power first and then tap volume up and just let go relatively quickly. And then use the volume buttons to scroll. You want to scroll all the way down to wipe data factory reset. The power button is to confirm. Confirm again. Data deleting. And as soon as it's done, you can either turn off the phone or reboot the system. In this case, I'm just going to turn it right on off. Boom. And that is how you do a hard reset on a Motorola G42. So if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to let us know. Any feedback would always be appreciated. Otherwise, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.